Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from REV Group, a leading manufacturer of specialty and recreational vehicles. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss REV Group's performance this quarter. They've reported their fiscal 2025 first quarter results, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. REV Group reported net sales of $525.1 million for the first quarter of 2025, which is a decrease from the previous year's $586 million. John, can you explain the factors behind this decline?
Certainly. The decline in net sales is primarily due to the absence of revenue from the bus manufacturing businesses, which were sold last year. Excluding this impact, net sales actually increased by $15.7 million, or 3.1%, driven by higher sales in the specialty vehicles segment.
And what about profitability? How did they perform on that front?
REV Group's net income for the quarter was $18.2 million, with an adjusted net income of $20.9 million. Their adjusted EBITDA reached a record $36.8 million, up from $30.5 million in the prior year, indicating strong operational execution and cost management.
Segment performance. John, let's delve into the segment performance. How did the specialty vehicles and recreational vehicles segments fare this quarter?
The specialty vehicles segment reported net sales of $370.2 million, a decrease from last year due to the sale of the bus manufacturing businesses. However, excluding that impact, sales actually increased by 8.7%, thanks to higher shipments of fire apparatus and ambulances. The segment's adjusted EBITDA also saw a significant increase to $35.2 million.
And what about the recreational vehicles segment?
The recreational vehicles segment experienced a decline in net sales to $155 million, primarily due to decreased unit shipments and increased dealer assistance. Its adjusted EBITDA also decreased to $9.2 million, reflecting these challenges.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 22 cents for this quarter. How did REV Group's actual performance compare?
REV Group exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of 40 cents, significantly higher than the forecasted 22 cents. This beat reflects their strong operational execution and cost management strategies, which have positively impacted their bottom line.
That's quite an impressive beat. What does this say about the company's financial health and future prospects?
It certainly indicates a robust financial position and suggests that the company is well-positioned to continue delivering value to shareholders. Their reaffirmation of the 2025 guidance further underscores their confidence in sustaining this momentum.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies and the future outlook. What strategic moves has REV Group made this quarter?
REV Group has been proactive in capital allocation, repurchasing approximately 0.6 million shares for $19.2 million. They've also declared a quarterly dividend of 0.06 cents per share. Their backlog has increased by $446.2 million, excluding the bus manufacturing businesses, indicating strong demand and order intake.
And how does the future look for REV Group?
With their reaffirmed 2025 guidance and a solid foundation of execution, REV Group is well-positioned for continued growth. Their focus on operational efficiencies and strategic capital deployment should drive long-term value creation for shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, REV Group has delivered a strong performance in the first quarter of 2025 with impressive earnings and strategic initiatives. Their ability to beat EPS expectations and reaffirm their guidance highlights their operational strength. Thank you, John, for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing REV Group's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on REV Group's performance in the comments below. Until next time.